Hi, this is the first time I'm doing this. This is pouring paint by me. So we're gonna start off with the base color. Starting off with white and spreading it all over. Use a bit of my palette there. Spread it across everywhere. Sorry for the background noise. I had my keys. So we do that, and then we start pouring it in a cup. We start off with white. Then we start with yellow. Then we do pink, purple, and we add blue in there. We add more white, turquoise, white, gold, and pink, and start pouring it in the canvas. I could have put it in the middle, but I went along with it, so we're working with this. Yeah, so I started spreading around everywhere in the canvas, and this is my second one. This one's kind of fast, so I can't tell you what colors I put in there, but I did put a lot of dark colors. So I poured it in the middle. I could have put more, but it's okay. I spread it around everywhere, and it came out like this. So these are the two I worked on. There's one in the bottom. Thank you for watching.